In this video, I buy as much Prime merch as I can find. I'm talking Prime t-shirt, Prime bath bomb, Prime chocolate, Prime cups, and even Prime cookies. Whatever I found, I bought it. Alright, everything has arrived. Let's see what we've got. I will give away some Prime to someone who likes, comments, and subscribes on this video. The first thing we've got is a ice pop bath bomb. A little cute lemonade Prime. I have no idea what this is used for. If you know, put it in the comments. Some lemon and lime Prime chocolate. I wonder if it tastes of Prime. A powered by Prime iron-on. It looks good quality. A mini little strawberry watermelon charm. 500,000 subscribers. I'm actually at 1 million now. Thank you everybody for your support. A Prime cookie cutter. Let's give this a try. This is so hard to get in. An ice pop t-shirt. A Metamoon plushie. That's cute. Ooh, bubble wrap. Listen, can you hear that? Ooh, we got Prime, boys. Lemon lime citron vert. I'm not sure what language that is. If anybody knows, comment down below. Some sour candies. $0.25. Razzles, slush puppy popping candy, sour warheads, Laffy Taffy, and a slush puppy lollipop. Okay, cool. Let's see what this is. Believe in your dreams. Thank you. I am at 1 million now. It came too fast. A pink Prime bath bomb. Oh, it's alien scented. Ooh, a free gift, thank you. Prime cookies, blue raspberry, ice pop, lemon lime, tropical punch. Thank you for your support. A paint your own prime kit. I'm going to do the PewDiePie prime I made. Did I do a good job? I am going to do cotton candy next. Nice pop cookie. I wish I could do icing that good. Wow, that's cool. Let's see if it matches. Congratulations. Ooh, a prime mug. Free chocolates. Oh wow, there is a lot in here. I don't even remember ordering this. A prime keyring. That's cool, I like that. A KSI chocolate. I wonder if it tastes like the drink.
We got prime, boys. We got prime. We got prime, boys. We got prime.
Custom Metamoon Prime tumbler. Ooh, free sweets. Let's give this a try. Here, try some, guys. Another bath bomb. Congratulations on 500,000 followers. Hope you like the frame. Let's see. Wow, that is cool. Comment your favourite item, like and subscribe.